So get ready to be inspired by the Duchess of Cambridge gorgeous looks in this video. We are diving into Princess Kate Middleton's stunning hairstyle and sharing her top tips for achieving beautiful, healthy looking hair. From her signature bouncy to her elegant updots, Kate's hair always looks effortlessly chic. But what's behind her hair secrets? We are exploring her favorite hairstyle, hair care, routine and product must have to help you recreate her royal looks at home. So whether you are looking for everyday hair inspiration or special occasion, Style Kate's hair is the perfect muse. So sit back, relax and let's dive into the world of Princess Kate Middleton's beautiful hair. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial and inspiration. Hit the notification bell for new videos alerts. Share your favorite Kate Middleton hair moments in the comments below. So get ready to be inspired by the Duchess of Cambridge gorgeous look. In this video we are diving into the Princess Middleton's stunning hairstyle and sharing her top tips for achieving beautiful healthy looking hair. From her signature bouncy to her elegant updots, Kate hair always look effortless chic. Whether you are looking for everyday hair inspiration or a special occasion style, Kate's hair is a perfect muse. So sit back, relax and let's dive into the world of Princess Kate Middleton beautiful hair. So my beautiful viewer, from her university days to royal engagements, how her hair has changed over the years. Iconic hairstyles that made headlines, Kate's morning and nighttime hair routine, her favorite shampoos and conditioner. We also now going to talking about tips for achieving healthy shiny hair, Kate's go-to hair products for styling and finishing, her favorite hair tools and accessories. We also now talking about how use them to recreate her looks, step-by-step guide to achieving Kate's signature, tips for adding volume and texture, how to finish with a sleek polished look, Kate's more stunning updoor looks, tips for creating her elegant style, how to add your own personal touches. Now we are going to talking about wedding hair inspiration, Kate's iconic wedding day hairstyle, tips for achieving a romantic effortless look, how to incorporate personal touches into your wedding hair. Now we are going to talking about red carpet hair, Kate's most memorable red carpet hairstyle, tips for achieving glamorous high goals hair, how to make a statement with hairstyle, everyday hair inspiration. Now let's talk about hair everyday inspiration, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. Kate casual everyday hairstyle tips for achieving easy effortless hair, how to add a touch of royal style to your daily look. Now we are going to talking about hair tips and tricks of Kate Middleton. Princess Kate top tips of healthy beautiful hair, how to overcome common hair struggles, tips for adding volume, texture and shine. So in the depth reviews of Kate's favorite hair products, how they perform and whether they are worth the hype, alternative option for different budgets and hair. Now we are talking about my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. I am so glad you are enjoying this video so far. So let's dive deeper into the Kate's hair and makeup secrets, from her go-to stylish to her favorite product. I will be sharing it all and how you know to recreate her iconic looks at home. My goal is to inspire you with Kate's beauty choices. So if you want to know about more of Kate Middleton, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. From her early days as a commoner to her current role as the Duchess of Cambridge, we will dive into her fashion evolution, role life and biography. Let's get started. Kate Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, England. She grew up in a loving family and excelled in sports and academic. Before marrying Prince William, Kate worked as an accessory buyer and later as a photographer. She met William at St Andrews University in Scotland. Kate's fashion sense has transformed over the years. From casual university days to elegant royal appearance, she became a royal icon. As the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate supports her husband and undertakes various royal duties. She is also a devoted mother of their 3 children. From her stunning wedding gowns to her bold red carpet looks, Kate's outfits are always highly anticipated. That's the story of Kate Middleton, a true rags to royalty tale. Her fashion sense, raw life, and dedication to her family make her a beloved figure worldwide. Thanks for watching this video. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, she was born in 9 January 1982 in Reading, England. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I want to tell you about my YouTube channel. I want to take a moment to talk you to all about something important. First, I want to express my gratitude to each and every one of you for subscribing and watching my videos. It means the world to me. However, I want to be honest with you, creating content every day, it's incredibly challenging. It takes a lot of time, efforts and resources. That's why I need your support. If you enjoy my content, please consider watching all my videos, liking and commenting on them, sharing them with your friends and family, and subscribing to my channel if you have not already yet. With your support, I can continue creating high quality content for you. I have some exciting plans and collaboration coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks again for listening and I look forward to your continued support. Let's grow this channel together. So my beautiful viewers, before becoming a royal cat, Style was already turning heads. She favored classic timeless pieces with a touch of bohemian flair. As a royal cat's fashion choices are scrutinized worldwide, she is rising to the challenge, becoming a global fashion icon. Cat's daytime style is effortlessly chic. She often wears British designers and high street brands, making fashion accessible to all. So when it comes to evening events, Cat dazzles in glamorous gowns. She is a master of subtle yet striking fashion choices. Cat's accessories are always on point, from her trusty LK Bennett heels to her elegant fascinators. She knows how to complete an outfit. As a royal cat's life is one of luxurious. She attends exclusive events, wears bespoke designer pieces and enjoys the finest things in life. Cat draws inspiration from fashion icons past and present. She is often compared to Princess Diana for her classic elegant style. That's a wrap on Princess Kate Middleton fashion life. She is a true style icon and we can't get enough of her stunning outfits and accessories. Thanks again for watching. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. So Cat often turns to trust designers for her royal engagements. Alexander McQueen and Jenny Peckham are two of her go-to labels. Cat's not afraid to mix high-end with high-street fashion. She is often spotted wearing affordable brands like Zara and Topshop. Cat's hat game is strong, from elegant fascinators to statement hats. She knows how to top off an outfit. Cat's jewelry collection is invaluable. She often wears pieces from the royal collection as well as modern designs. Cat's shoes are always on point. From sleek style totes to comfortable wedges, she has a pair for every occasion. Cat's handbag collection is impressive. She favors classic design from brands like Mulberry and LK Bennett. Cat's outfit is always stylish. She often wears tailored coats and jackets from British designers. During her pregnancies, Cat's style remained effortless. She often wears flowing dresses and comfortable coats. Cat's sporty style is relaxed yet style. She often wears athletic wear from brands like Nike and Adidas. When representing the UK abroad, Cat's fashion choices are diplomatic and thoughtful. She often wears local designers or incorporates cultural elements. Like any fashion icon, Cat faces criticism from accusation from being too safe to wearing too much. McQueen, she is navigated it all. Cat's style is timeless. She avoids trendy pieces, opting from classic designs that stand the test of times. Cat's fashion influence extends beyond the royal family. She inspired countless women to find their own personal style. Cat's fashion legacy will be one of the elegance, sophistication and approachability. She redefined royal fashion for the modern era. Cat's fashion choices are carefully considered. Her team of stylists and advisors help her create looks that are both stylish and diplomatic. Before becoming a royal, Cat's style was more relaxed. She often wear bohemian-inspired pieces and high-street brands. Kat's style has evolved significantly since becoming a royal. She's adopted a more polished, sophisticated look while remaining. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please tell me in comment box what do you like in this videos and which type of video do you like in future. And please subscribe my channel and support me. And share this video with your family and friends. I would love for you to join me on this fashion journey and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get to see new content every day, including fashion tips, trends, reports, and style inspiration from women of all ages and backgrounds. So if you are as passionate about fashion as I am, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion today and let's explore the world of fashion together. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, my goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and sport and inspire each other. So subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos and join the conversation. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips, tricks from home decor to pretending advice to help you live your best life. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers on my channel, I share my passion for fashion and beauty from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. So my beautiful viewers, today we are talking about one of the most stylish Kat's middle tone. From elegant gowns to chic everyday outfits, Kat fashion sense is always on point. So who can forget Kat's stunning wedding dresses designed by Sarah Burton for Alexander McQueen? This lace gown is a masterpiece. And let's not forget her iconic red carpet looks. Like this gorgeous Jenny Peckham gown, Kat dresses are always on point and we cannot get enough of them. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, thanks for watching Louise. If you're new here, consider subscribing to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content. I upload new videos every day from fashion tips, trends to product reviews and hauls. And if you have any question for future video, don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. So I will see you in the next video.